How to use the add member tag feature in WhatsApp group. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to use the add member tag feature in WhatsApp group. So open up WhatsApp and the new add member tag feature allows users to add a custom title or role up to 30 characters under their name in group chats. So to use it, we can open up a group. We can open up any of the group available and we can tap on the group name at the top. And within there, we can just scroll down and look for ourselves in the members list. Now we can just go and select our name from the member list and we can look out for add member tag option. Right now I already have added it, so it gives me edit option, but you'll be finding option called add. You can tap on it and then you can start by adding up a member tag. For example, if you're the admin, you can add admin in your member tag and just go and tap on save and your role will be added in that particular screen. You can just go over and save it. You can edit it if you're changing an existing one. If you want to delete it, again, you can tap on it and look out for edit member tag and look out for the delete option at the top. And then you can confirm it up and it will delete the member tag and you'll be finding option called add member tag. You can just go over and tap on it and type your role, title, or nickname up to 30 characters, no emojis, special characters, and then save. And the tag is visible to all the current and new members of that specific group. You can set a different unique tag for every group you are in. And only you can set up your tag. Admins cannot assign tags to other members. And if the option is not available, it is being rolled out gradually. So it may not be available in all the devices immediately. But ensure that your WhatsApp application is up to date and you can use this add member tag option on your WhatsApp. And that's it, everybody. You may follow this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.